You get a phone call. It's your boss.
It's your boss calling.
You'd know that voice anywhere. The way she pauses, that little laugh, the way she says your name. She needs a favor and she needs it now. Everything about the call is real. The number, the voice, the urgency. There's just one problem. Your boss never made this call. Here's what makes this so unsettling. For years, we told people to watch for bad spelling, strange links, weird email addresses, but you can't spot a typo in a voice. And that's exactly the gap attackers found. So let's walk through how this actually happens. It's a normal Tuesday. You're at your desk when your phone rings. The number looks internal or close enough that you don't think twice. You pick up and it's her, your manager. She sounds a little stressed, like she's hurrying between meetings. She explains there's a deal closing, a vendor waiting, and she can't get to her laptop. She needs you to move a payment or send over some login details or approve something right now. She even apologizes for the rush. And because it sounds exactly like her, you don't question it. You want to be helpful. You want to be trusted. So you do the thing she asked. By the time the real boss walks past your desk an hour later, confused, the money is already gone. Or the data is out. And you're left staring at your phone, certain you heard her voice. Because you did. So what actually happened? No one broke into your company's network. No firewall failed. The attack didn't target your computer at all. It targeted you. Here's the trick. Attackers now use something called voice cloning. Software that listens to a short sample of someone's voice and learns to imitate it. This is a type of deepfake, which just means audio or video made by a computer to sound or look like a real person. And they don't need much. A few seconds of audio is often enough. Where do they get it? A talk posted on YouTube, a podcast interview, a voicemail greeting, a company promo video, even a short clip from social media. Your boss's voice is probably sitting online somewhere right now, completely public. Once the software has that sample, the attacker can type any sentence, and it comes out in your boss's voice, tone, rhythm, everything. Then they pair it with a faked phone number, so even the caller ID looks right. The clever part isn't the technology, it's the emotion. The call always arrives with urgency and authority, a trusted person asking for something important right now. That combination is built to switch off the part of your brain that stops and asks, wait, is this real? The good news, you don't need to be technical to shut this down. You just need one habit. First, slow down. Urgency is the weapon. Any request that can't wait 5 minutes deserves a second look, no matter whose voice is asking. Second, check on a different channel. If your boss calls asking for money or sensitive details, hang up and reach them a way you already trust. Text the number you have saved, message them on your work chat, call them back on their known number. A real request survives a 5-minute delay. A scam usually doesn't. Third, agree on a safe word. This one's powerful for families and small teams. Pick a simple phrase that only you and your people know. If someone calls in a panic asking for money, you ask for the word. No word, no transfer. And here's the strange part to leave you with. For decades, staying safe was about protecting machines. Stronger passwords, better firewalls, tougher locks. But the most advanced trick of this era doesn't try to beat your technology at all. It beats your trust. It takes the one thing you were taught to rely on, a familiar voice, and turns it into the way in. So the next time someone you know calls in a hurry, remember, the voice is easy to fake. The one thing an attacker can't copy is the answer to a question only the real person would know, so ask it.